know what else there is to say. Doing my best not to run away.
Oh god, about threw up.
So instead of a snore compilation for me, there needs to be a vomit.
Dude, there probably is.
Irritable bowel syndrome compilation of Big Jiggly Panda. Ah, très bien. Oh, oui, oui.
Très bien.
Sorry, my dog barked. Oh, Jesus.
What the fuck
Oh
was that?
my god, was
Holy
anyone
shit.
recording?
I think I just
yeah.
vomited.
Oh my
I might have
God.
just died.
I got it. Don't worry. Don't worry. I got
Fucking demonic
I think that was a scene from The Exorcist. It
I thought that was Alien. Like fucking.
was a chest
The little-
burster.
Oh my god, that was too good.
Oh my
That was
fucking
the
god.
most disgusting noise.
I have
I've
to go
ever heard.
wipe, but it's my mouth. I'm just gonna giggle. That's why you drink water when you drink alcohol, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, what the fuck was that?
Did you just throw up?
100%.
Did you? Who was that?
That's fucking disgusting.
Did you just throw up like a baby, like on yourself? What the fuck was that?
That was the nastiest burp I've ever had in my life. That's one of the nastiest ones I've ever heard.
You legit just fucking threw up on yourself. Like a fucking baby.
You fucking bib. You disgusting human. Shit.
I love the silence before it. Everyone's playing up their cards.
Does Melina need to come in and fucking burp you? Like what the fuck?
You can really get the thick wetness of it.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Fucking god.
Oh
Jesus, man.
Oh my god. That one took me by surprise.
No greens.
Oh my god, Detective Vanos is on the case. Barf.
He does not have greens.
Ah, fuck me. Oh, well, excuse me.
What was that?
That was madness.
Oh Jesus, I'm so sorry.
I opened my mouth to say something and fucking coke.
And then a monster Demigorgon came out your Stranger Things. Jesus Christ.
Demigorgon.
Demigorgon came out my man's throat, man. Hey.
Oh shit.
Hey, somebody go check on Anthony, y'all.
Oh my god. Jeez. I just heard your fucking pancreas.
Oh my Christ.
I like opened up my mouth to speak and that erupted from me. Holy shit.